In this video, I will show you how to add profile picture on Facebook. So the steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, go and open your Facebook now. After you open your Facebook, so as you can see now, here is my profile picture. Now I don't have profile picture on my Facebook. So to add a profile picture, tap on this menu at the top right side. Under this menu now, tap on this section, this profile picture section. So as you can see now, I don't have profile picture now. To add a profile picture, just tap on this camera icon. So tap on this choose picture. Now it will take you to your phone. Now you go and select your profile picture. So for me, I will just go with this one. After you select your profile picture, as you can see now, just use your hand just adjust it. Tap on this section to adjust your profile picture. As you can see now, you can just zoom in and out. So for me, I'll just leave it like this and tap on this done button. Here is it. So now tap on this save button. So now refresh your page. Refresh it again. As you can see now, at the bottom now is uploading. As you can see now, I add my profile picture on my Facebook account. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.